Yeah, guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about Tropical Storm Grace, which has now got 40-mile-an-hour winds, and it's moving west-northwest at 16 miles per hour. And tropical storm warnings are out for Hispaniola and Puerto Rico. Um, you do have some tropical storm watches in Haiti, west coast of Haiti, south coast of Haiti, north coast of Haiti, north coast of Dominican Republic, um, Puerto Rico. You still are recovering from tropical storm force winds. This is meant to be moving into the Gulf, and as you can see, we've got Invest 97L, which actually is not just actually quite good. But this is Fred right now. Got the lowest pressure than these systems. 35 knots to 40 miles an hour, which is the same wind speed as Grace. Minimum central pressure is 1007 millibars. Located at 26.2 degrees north and 85.2 degrees west. Movement northwest at 10 to 10 knots, which is 12 miles per hour. And obviously, we've got Hurricane Linda, which is now an annular hurricane, and it's weakening from its brief peak, which its brief peak was 130 miles an hour. I think it was a little bit stronger than that. I think it was maybe 150. I think it was maybe 130 or something like that. Or no, 135. But if you go to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center right now, JTWC, right? Joint Typhoon Warning Center. They have updated TD16. It was a tropical storm, but I think it's relocated its center, which means now it's going to be heading towards the west, past Guam, and 200 miles towards Guam. It's going to become a tropical storm and actually start to rapidly intensify. Models are saying that this is still meant to become a major storm for Taiwan. But, to be honest, I don't think this will become a major. We don't know. It could be. It could not be. So, anyway, looking on the model forecasts, forecast models, I am not hinting of anything becoming strong in the Atlantic sometime soon. But yeah, the GFS has still got its open wave. They have it moving south, actually. The GFS is just being absolutely trash on this system right now. They are taking it over the Yucatan Peninsula, and actually, the HWRF is the only one that's being consistent on this system becoming a hurricane. If I show you the HWRF in a minute, right, we do have another potential system. But yeah, that's the subtropical, characteristics of, right. There's those systems moving towards the north, and you got another MDR storm that does form August 26th. That actually moves towards the north. that actually becomes a tropical storm. 1002 millibars. And actually becomes real strong, I think. Or is it just a hurricane? So far now, it becomes a major hurricane. So, yeah, I don't know what the GFS is doing, fam. I do not know what the GFS is doing, fam. Yeah, let's just hope all the models have not been as backed off from this system. HWRF does not weaken it whatsoever. It does go over his Cuba for a little bit. Actually, not even losing that much intensity. But the HWRF is going crazy in the Gulf of Mexico right now. 940 millibars. 940 millibars. 150 miles per hour. Oh, no, actually, no, it's 145. 145 miles per hour. Wow. 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 Texas, you have to watch out for this, fam. I don't know what the GFS is saying for Grace, though. Yeah, they're not really saying nothing, are they? About the HMOM model for Grace. For Grace, the HMOM model, they do have it intensifying a little bit, but not as strong as thinking. But they take it towards more the south. They take it more towards the south, and actually not actually moving into the east pack. And that's why it becomes a tropical storm in the east pack. Wow. CMC model. Grace. CMC model for Grace. Is showing us some signs. I don't want This is not Linda right now. This is for Grace. No, this is for Linda. This is for Linda. Do not want Linda. Thank you very much. I want Grace. As you can see on the CMC model, it's completely disorganized. As you can see, it does not want to form again. So, most of the models aren't anticipating that it will become a major hurricane. HWRF has been consistent on this storm of being a major hurricane. But guys, I'm just going to show you something quickly. La Nina is... they have actually declared La Nina to be forming right now. As you can see, you might be thinking, oh, well, it's not dipping down. Oh, it's not dipping down. Actually, it is on the Nina 3.4 index. But then, if you go to the Nina 3, boom. See that there? If that carries on going down, by American standards, we would be in a La Nina. I think middle of August, if that goes down, what day is it today? It is the 15th, so probably by the 20th. If that goes down by the 20th and reaches weak La Nina status, then the Atlantic will be on fire. Satellite imagery, Tropical Storm Fred. I will show you Tropical Storm Fred because it actually does look quite good on satellite imagery. I think you can actually start seeing an eye war starting to develop. I think conditions is meant to be getting worse for this system. Wind shear is meant to be picking up a bit, but I'll do that later on. I'll do a video tomorrow on my laptop as I am in bed, guys. So yeah, don't know why I'm in bed at 8:32 UK Standard Time. I'm recording this then. So yeah. So anyway, this is Fred. It is completely disorganized. You might be saying, "Oh well, Florida's not in the cone. We don't really have to worry about Florida being in the cone." Actually, you guys are in the cone. North Florida is in the cone, not the Panhandle of Florida. You know where Pensacola, Florida, Biloxi, Florida, Alabama, maybe some coastal of Mississippi, but you guys need to watch out for this system. As you can see, don't miscount this system. Even though it's a very weak system, it can still do quite a bit of damage. This system, yeah, it's 15th of August today. So yeah, if this system does actually get half its center circulation, some of its center circulation is thingy. Right, if I show you I'll show you aircraft recon in a bit. Wait. You saw thingy now. You can have a look at Grace and you see what Grace can do. So you see Grace, and actually, I honestly think I think I agree with No, actually, I don't agree with Force 13 because actually Grace is actually reorganizing. I think. I know it looks disorganized, but in latest frames, it looks like it's organizing again, and actually could get to. Actually, the waters are pretty warm in the Gulf, in the Caribbean and the Gulf right now. They'll even get even warmer as the season goes on. So yeah, I'll show you aircraft recon, and then I'm gonna have to pack the video up. So I'll show you in Fred right now. They have found a closed low, which is good, but they are finding those most intense winds in the convection, which they are finding right now, 15.5 mile an hour winds. If those can actually head towards the center, maybe it might become a bit stronger, but yeah, I don't think that will be happening, as you can see. So yeah, I will show you some recon on Grace as well. Because I can't just leave Fred. I can't leave Grace out. Grace is a beautiful. Grace was a beautiful storm. Right, this is Grace, and the most intense winds are north of. If this does get a center relocation, it'll probably be in the stronger convection up there, where the 50 to about 55 mile an hour winds come in, and then about 34 to 40 mile an hour winds near the center circulation. So this is Grace, and you might be thinking, well, why is the storm not so strong? Well, the Recon is in the storm right now. What Recon can do is give data to the NHC. So, yeah, anyway. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Peace and have a good day.